Alright guys, it's your favorite Diddy enthusiast. Welcome back to the Diddy party. Today we're going to be playing Gmod alone again by myself. I'm lonely. But it's spring break. And instead of masturbating, I'm doing this. So let's go. This guy's tweaking out. Yo, you need some help? I have drugs. I got cocaine if you need. Can do crack and heroin together. Oh god. This guy, luckily I'm coked up and have my antidepressants injected into me. This guy, I need more heroin. Ray gun. What the hell just happened? Did I just kill myself? The Ray Gun Mark II does not have splash damage. Every Call of Duty Zombies player knows this. Whoever created this add-on needs to get his fucking facts right, man. What happened to the bald white man? Bald white man. What happened to him? Oh well, he just got erased from existence. This is bullshit. Look at this dude. You're not gonna get me. This guy, bro. Fucking loser. Uh-huh. See, that's what happens. This is what happens when you mess with me. Shouldn't have done it. Fucking pussy. Yep. What is there to do while you're alone? It's so sad. Maybe nukes can cure my sadness. Well, it seems we've learned this lesson the first time I played. Okay. Solution. That solution always works. It's just too easy. Oh, the bomb got rid of my victim. Are you kidding me? Looks like I just have to make another one. I'm a professional monster killer. Oh, that makes sense. I thought I was invincible. This is bullshit. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to Subway. What can I get you? We got alcohol, marijuana, cocaine, LSD, and if you look at the back, we got some water here, but who cares about water? You know, we only like the good stuff. Oh, look, we have our first loyal customer. You're our first loyal customer. What can I get you, sir? Ow! How am I bleeding? I'm a skeleton. No! No! Get the fuck out of here. Oh, hey guys. Alright, let me get back to my Subway. I run a fine business. Alright, welcome back to Subway. Thank you for shopping at Subway. Eat fresh. They say you shouldn't do drugs, right? Another loyal customer. Hey, what can I do for you today? Alright. This is the only bit I got. So, alright, I need to do some pest control. There's some creatures in here that I need to get rid of. I'm being paid to kill them. Well, first we gotta find them. You can smell them. They're close. We need to go. We need to head to Subway. We need to head to Subway and fast. Alright. I was heading the wrong direction, but I've made it near Subway. We're close. Oh. Oh! Professional hunter. I'm a professional hunter. Can you shut up? Alright, guys. Remember to eat fresh. Listen up, boys. We're the last ones left. This is the last fortification. If we fall, there's no one left. We must fight for Subway! The barriers won't last forever. We don't have time to prepare. We need to fight them now. Go, men! Fight the zombies, go! Oh no, there's too many of them! We need to hit the last resort. Subway, eat fresh. There's too many of them. We need to go to the last resort. Welcome to Subway.